Milk is widely appreciated for its benefits to bone health, often consumed at breakfast with cereal, in the evening, or as an accompaniment to pastries. Many individuals still incorporate a daily glass of milk into their routine. However, it's interesting to note that milk doesn't harmonize well with all foods. In fact, it can cause inflammation and harm health when paired with certain foods. Let's discover together 4 foods to absolutely avoid consuming with milk, as well as possible alternatives. Regardless of the nutritional quality of a food, certain food combinations can disrupt digestion or even promote more serious disorders. Milk, known for its benefits to bones and teeth, also offers richness in proteins, promoting muscle growth and providing a feeling of satiety, which can help maintain a balanced weight. Moreover, its anti-inflammatory compounds contribute to reducing the risks of cardiovascular diseases and colon cancer. Probiotics found in dairy products support optimal intestinal health, promote digestion, and strengthen the immune system. With these advantages in mind, let's examine more closely. Among the 4 foods to absolutely avoid with milk, the first is sugar. Often associated with our desserts or children's snacks with a glass of milk, this habit can be harmful. Whether it's paired with a caramel latte or a simple glass of sweetened milk, this combination should be avoided. Sugar, by acidifying our bodies and blood, disrupts the acid-base balance, forcing the body to draw from its calcium reserves, mainly located in the skeleton. Thus, even though milk is rich in calcium, consuming it with sugar becomes counterproductive, nullifying its beneficial effects on bones. Moreover, the lactose present in milk, a sugar with a low glycemic index, combined with external sugar, can lead to an increase in blood sugar levels and promote weight gain. This habit can also lead to insulin resistance and chronic inflammation, predisposing to more serious health problems. It is therefore recommended to avoid combining sweet desserts and pastries with milk. Instead, opt for a hot beverage like coffee or tea, which also aids digestion. Another food to absolutely avoid with milk is sweet potatoes. Although they are known for their richness in fiber, which might suggest they combine well with milk, their digestibility can be problematic. Sweet potatoes contain a large amount of fiber, making them slow to digest. This characteristic, while providing a feeling of fullness, can lead to the regurgitation of poorly digested food into the esophagus, causing symptoms of acid reflux, especially in those with fragile digestion. The combination of milk with sweet potatoes makes this phenomenon even more problematic, as the saturated fats in milk can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, further aggravating acid reflux. People who regularly suffer from acid reflux or severe acidity should therefore be particularly vigilant. Additionally, purple sweet potatoes should be avoided with milk because the calcium in milk can react with the anthocyanin present in these sweet potatoes, a compound with anti-cancer properties, compromising its absorption by the body. If you are accustomed to consuming milk with sweet potatoes, it is recommended to replace them with a low-fat plant milk, such as soy or oat milk. Otherwise, you can opt for another tuber that pairs better with milk, such as potatoes. Indeed, milk contains almost all essential vitamins, except for vitamin C, which is abundantly found in potatoes. A third food to absolutely avoid with milk is lemon, as well as all acidic citrus fruits such as grapefruit or orange. This incompatibility arises from the presence of the protein casein, which constitutes about 80% of milk. Casein is a slow-digesting protein that gradually releases amino acids into the body, thus contributing to prolonging the feeling of satiety after meals. However, when these proteins come into contact with acidity, they tend to coagulate and form clumps, a process similar to that used in cheese making. In the stomach, this can lead to the formation of curds, which can be difficult to digest for some people, especially those prone to digestive disorders. Paired with acidic citrus fruits, these proteins can further slow down the digestive process, leading to feelings of heaviness, bloating, and other gastrointestinal issues. On the other hand, tomato pairs perfectly with milk, offering a combination that is easier to digest for the gastrointestinal system. Tomato pairs perfectly with milk. Now you might be wondering, is tomato a vegetable or a fruit? In Asia, it is unquestionably considered a fruit, often integrated into fruit salads served as dessert. Tomatoes are recognized as a top-tier superfood due to their potent antioxidant property. They are particularly recommended for individuals with diabetes due to their high water content and low sugar content. Tomatoes are packed with powerful antioxidants such as lycopene and beta-carotene, which contribute to the prevention of cardiovascular diseases and have significant anti-cancer effects. The fats present in milk can significantly enhance the absorption of these antioxidants by the body. Furthermore, the vitamin D present in tomatoes can limit calcium loss, abundantly present in milk, and thus maximize its absorption. This synergy makes the combination of tomato and milk an excellent alliance, promoting the prevention of osteoporosis. So do not underestimate this strange but powerful association. Before concluding, let's examine one last thing to avoid consuming with milk. Sometimes, many people are tempted to take their medications with a glass of milk instead of water, perhaps to mask the taste or because they think milk is more nourishing. However, this practice is not recommended. Most medications contain compounds that interact with the calcium present in milk, thereby reducing their absorption into the bloodstream and decreasing their effectiveness. It is therefore advisable to avoid consuming milk or dairy products within 2 hours before or after taking medications containing antibiotics. Similarly, for individuals taking medications to treat osteoporosis or other bone issues, who often seek to increase their calcium intake by consuming milk, it is recommended to do so outside of medication doses to avoid compromising their absorption. Have you ever heard the expression, "a healthy gut equals a healthy mind"? Indeed, the health of our gut is closely linked to our mental well-being. It is therefore crucial to choose foods that are easy to digest to maintain good gut health. By adopting healthy eating habits, you are investing in your overall well-being. Together, let's aim for healthier aging. Thank you very much for your attention. If you would like to learn more about nutrition and incorporate healthy foods into your lifestyle, check out our other videos. Your support in the form of likes is always appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of our latest health videos. I wish you excellent health, wealth, and happiness.